Hi guys, this is short update volume day trader regarding one of our position. The signals we are giving for our community regarding the US stock picks, and we are taking the signals from our scanner, and what we are using is only the volume on the chart, and also cumulative volume in special design indicator for TradingView MT4 MT5 platform. And today we have just the first week of August when most of the companies from US give a report for second quarter earning report. And today we have such situation. We have a very strong gap up, and look of the spread of this candle. And right now we trying to figure out, this is the real situation. We have $5,300 on it. The position wasn't super huge, but still the pattern, it was the pattern. We can see activation here, activity, sorry, not activation, activity of the smart money here, also here in before the end of the May, and in June. Two times we have these spikes and very beautiful support line breaking here, and the signals we gave just after the signal were generated to our subscribers. So what to do right now? This is a real situation with such transaction. We gonna take the profit. We are waiting right now for 15-minute chart, and already we have two candles, and the first candle was break to the upside, and right now our stop loss we are put here, and because the profit is right now around 5,000, a little bit less, so we need to take the action and take the whatever it is right now. There's two strategies. First 15-minute candle, a breakout of the first 15-minute candle, but this candle is very wild, very wide, so that's why we don't want to wait, and we're taking this this profit. Another signal which appear today, it's on the HOG daily. We want to add the position after this break, so there is a profit 3,650, and we want to add the position once this candle will be break to the upside. So we are waiting right now to the move to the upside, and we want to add this position. So that is the short update, guys. If you want to subscribe our signals, just go to www.volumedaytrader.com and sign up for free signals report, and enjoy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.